main objectives of the science department at IMSA is to foster the students' love of learning science, to develop them into critical, analytical thinkers.
You've got to be able to think, and that cuts across not just mathematics. You're going to do that in the sciences, you're going to do that in the language arts, you're going to do that in history. You're going to be expected to be thinkers as opposed to just repeaters.
Students at IMSA are able to work with teachers on a one-on-one basis much more frequently than they would at their typical home school, and we also have a very strong foundation on composition and reading comprehension and critical thought.
The IMSA science curriculum is different from most public schools in that we focus on having students develop some sense of themselves as learners. What we really want them to do is to focus on what we call our standards of significant learning, which are those habits of mind that lead to skills. How we do that in our science curriculum is to cause students to work to build models. There's very little in the way of recall. We don't use worksheets. Instead, we build models from data and experience.
I didn't know what a really good, solid teacher was until I came here, because they're so passionate and so knowledgeable about what they learn.
To me, inquiry-based learning means that you're not just learning knowledge or facts, you're learning how to learn. And at IMSA, that usually manifests itself in the form of frustration. Our teachers give us a wildly difficult topic. Right now in my computational science course, we're modeling a functioning ecosystem of lynx and snowshoe hare. And it's up to us to go out and find the information about how those animals function, how the overall ecosystem should look. And not only does it train us in learning that content at a deeper level, but it forces us to learn about research, to create focusing questions, and to analyze the processes of our thought.